Papanoorin natin ang tourism video ni Alexandra Krishna Oreno representing Albay for Miss Universe Philippines 2026. Let's go!
Sarong Bicolano,
Ganda ng kulay.
Oragon. Hi na Aldao. I am Alexandra Krishna Mangubat.
Ganda.
21 years old, hari sa probinsya ng Albay. My name, Alexandra, means conqueror of hearts.
Sarap pakinggan ng boses niya.
That's how I choose to live, by kindness, courage, and connection to people. I'm a psychology student, a content creator, singer, dancer, host, and
Dancer.
someone who has always
All
loved
smiles.
the stage. Even as a child, I
Even
was
yung
always
eyes
aspiring
niya.
to be a beautiful kid, always performing, and always dreaming. I love spicy food. Every meal needs chili.
Siyempre.
And I also have the biggest sweet
Ang high quality
omelet.
nung video, very
Life may
glossy.
end, but it should always end on a sweet note. This is who I am. With a soft heart and a story. worth
Ayan
telling.
na.
I come from humble soil, but even the rarest flowers rise from ordinary
Ang ganda
ground.
talaga ng
Behind my smile is a
cinematics.
story shaped by challenges, sacrifice, and quiet strength. I was raised by a single mother, a woman I deeply admire. To give us a better life, she worked overseas for many years. And while our mom fought for our future from
Wow.
afar, my brother practically raised me, becoming both my father and mother figure at his young age. I also grew up in the arms of my grandparents, a Lola and Lola's girl.
Buong
cherished,
social ng Lola.
protected, and
Ikaw daw.
deeply loved.
Lola.
Like the youngest of 6 children, I was the princess
Cute.
of the
Very
family,
personal.
but also a child who
Hindi mo
learned
rin talaga
early
alam kung ano
that
yung mga
love sometimes
pinagdaanan
comes
ng
with
isang
longing.
tao
But not all
by
battles were gentle.
looking at kung ano
At a
na
young
sila ngayon,
age,
diba?
I experienced
Meron at meron
cyberbullying.
talagang stories
When
of struggles,
chosen to
ganyan.
strangers, words became weapons. I was told I was ugly, unlovable, unworthy.
Wow,
And so,
ugly na yan. Ano na lang
I
tayo?
feared my phone, I feared going to school, and I feared being seen. And slowly, that fear turned into silence and social anxiety. But pain did not define me. It disciplined me. I chose to
True.
rise through my studies, leadership, service. I became an honor student. I joined the student body. I found my voice again in music, hosting, volunteering, and eventually in pageantry. From 19 years old, I began my journey, winning crowns, earning
Ay,
titles,
wow.
but more importantly, rebuilding the confidence I once lost. Being the youngest taught me to dream boldly, not only for myself, but for my family and for those who come from where I came from. Today, I am an aspiring psychologist, and by God's will, a future lawyer. Because after experiencing emotional pain, I wanted to understand it, why people hurt, how pain changes us, and how healing truly begins. For I believe that everything starts in childhood, in the home, in love, in safety. That is why my advocacy is for children and their well-being. I dream of a world where every child is allowed to simply be a child, free from heavy pain, free from forced maturity, free to dream without fear. I believe in equal opportunity, but social class should never dictate your worth. That empathy is power and compassion is strength, because I once dreamed beyond where I came from, so that one day I could lift those who are still there. This is my story, and this is only the beginning.
Nice.
Very epic nung sound. Wow, ang
Ang
ganda
ganda
ng silhouette.
talaga. Oh, ang ganda ng pagkakagawa ng video.
Ang ganda yung transition ng silhouette to the lava.
Tsaka yung pagkaka-curate ng shots talaga. Here goes the fast pacing.
Welcome to Albay. Albay is more than a destination. It is an experience.
Which is true. Ganda. Wow. Grabe ang dami na showcase. Cute.
This is Albay, a place where happiness is simple, where culture is honored, where tourism celebrates nature and humanity together.
Ang ganda-ganda.
Albay, lugar ni kusog, asin paglaog. Lugar ni mga taong oragon, dadaing na pundong mangarap, asin magsikap, sa likod ni mga istoryang pagsakit, asin pakikipaglaban.
Mhm. Wow.
Sa Tagabos, mayong pagkakaiba. Sarong Bicolano, sarong Oragon.
That's it!
Outstanding!
So, ang ano daw is very napaka-refreshing ng kanyang video and also yung face niya is very fresh.
First of all, kudos sa team, sa kanya, at saka sa kanya. Sobrang ano, alam mo yon yung when she's smiling, yung mata niya, it's smiling, yung kapag yung may mga part na sobrang emotional, yung face niya is very emotional. Narelay niya ng maayos yung kwento ng video. And actually, gusto kong i-emphasize yung very well balanced yung video niya actually, na sobrang yung mga stories, ganyan, yung part na kung saan kailangan maging tourism na video. Sobrang ganda nung alam mo yun, it's a well put together, and kapag nilagay mo siya sa international scene talaga, foreigners would understand talaga kung ano yung gustong sabihin ng ni Miss Albay, na maganda talaga sa Albay, maganda sa Pilipinas, and this is my story.
So for me naman, ang pinaka-nagustuhan ko dun sa video niya is yung kanyang advocacy towards the children. Kasi nga, with equal opportunities para sa ating children, then magkakaroon din sila ng equal chances to be able to uplift their spirit, their well-being. Of course, yung kanilang buhay in the future para magkaroon sila ng mas magandang kinabukasan. And syempre, with that video, talagang masasabi natin na Albay is one of the destinations in the Philippines na parang gusto mong balik-balikan kahit na isang beses pa lang tayo nakakapuntang Albay.
Yes.
Kailan kaya yun masusundan?
Soon.
Salamat at sinamahan niyo naman kami sa nagdaang video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
And guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done, and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us in the next video. Bye!